How to install Rapido Captain in your iPhone. First of all, launch the App Store on your iPhone. Once you have launched your App Store, just navigate or tap on the search here. And here on the search bar, just type the Rapido Captain. After writing the Rapido Captain here, so the result will be Rapido Writer. So if you want to download the Rapido Writer, you have to just go and tap on the Get option. So if you are searching the Rapido Writer or Rapido Captain, you have to just go and tap on the Get button like this. Once you have find the Get button, you have to double click to install, and you may need to authenticate with your Apple ID, Face ID or Touch ID here after that. And here you can see that you have to wait for the app to download and install it on your device. Once the installation is completed, you will see the app icon on your home screen. So you can easily see the app icon on your home screen like this. That's it. Now you can start using this app to become a captain or bike rider for Rapido. So the Rapido Captain is known as also Rapido Rider. With the help of this simple step, you can easily install or download the Rapido Captain in your iPhone. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.